Here's a little video on how to open your trunk with your foot on a BMW X3. This is a 2017 X-Drive 28i. So you walk up, get about 3 feet from it, and then act like you're gonna kick it. Pop open. You can do the exact same thing to close it. It's gonna beep at you. So get up to it, about 3 feet from that BMW emblem. Guess I didn't do it quite right. Try it again. There it goes. You don't have to kick the car. Just accidentally kicked it. Something like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.